printing technology and how it is transforming manufacturing.
Very good afternoon to all. Thank you, organizers, for giving me opportunity to be here today. So, additive manufacturing and the EV industry both complements to each other, and how this 3D printing technology is helping EV industry for a safe and sustainable environment by virtue of absolutely no tooling required to produce the complex parts. And you can produce the parts at the point of need as and when required, and this will definitely help in reducing the carbon footprint. Now, just think of if one day you get a chance to 3D print a whole car in your garage, or imagine you order an electric vehicle online and 3D printer delivers this car, literally. Well, this is not the reality as of scenario today, but there are several 3D printing applications today available for development of the EV vehicles. Now, let's just explore some of the potential of additive manufacturing. So on the left side, if you see, you can definitely go for a 3D printing farm, which can definitely produce low volume batch productions for you at the point of need, rather than investing into tooling cost. On the right side, they like for the charging manufacturers, they can use, rather than using proprietary casings from aluminum, you can directly switch over to composites or a direct fiber reinforcement technology. Another is you can use generative design tool to bring down you can replace aluminum completely wherever you have static loads or some of the metal applications. You can reduce the weight without compromising strength to weight ratio by employing this composite materials and direct fiber reinforcement technology from Markforged. You can also go for mass customization rather than investing money into tooling cost, going for injection molded or pressure die casting tool. You can do mass customization. Now, we do have materials like Onyx flame retardant, which can definitely help you in development of the EV vehicle parts, some of the enclosures, brackets, some of the battery development parts you can do currently, because this material comes from UL94 Underwriter Laboratories Blue Chip Card certification, which has a V0 rating. And another material that we have is ESD, which is an electrostatic dissipative material, which will definitely help you to protect your PCB assemblies, other electronic enclosures from outside the surges. So some of the applications, like Revo Racing Car, they do use our technology for making all these brackets and closures. Some of the test rigs, some of the PCB alignment jigs on the assembly line to help keep your PCB safe from the outside surges, we use ESD material. Some of the fixtures you can print, which can help you in testing and iterations done. Gary Robots is our customers. They print directly composites parts for the applications, motor mounts, and use applications. Now, first time the Markforged has taken a bold step where your parts are certified before printing. So we have introduced this simulation software where you can do, without going for multiple iterations of your part, you can go for this virtual testing, and the first part, what you print, is going to take your application success at a very first glance. So I'll just play a small video where Larsen Motor Sports has done this, where they have replaced a aluminum steering with a carbon composite part from Markforged.
My life is on the line every time I get in the car.
We had a goal to make this steering wheel really strong. So we can now test it in simulation. So now we don't have to print 10 different parts, they can do it all in simulation. It takes us 8 days to get this ordered from our vendor. This takes us 2 days to have printed. I think this new Markforged software is going to change the way people can manufacture.
I would trust this Markforged 3D printed steering wheel with my life.
So that's the bold step that company has taken to print with confidence. The graphical user interface is so easy that you need not to have the FEA background knowledge. We do have metal printers where you can directly print coppers rather than machining it out from a vertical machining centers or CNC machines. You can use it for printing on heat sinks, electrical connectors, welding arms. About Markforged, is a company based out of Boston, US. And as of today, we have more than 12,000 plus printers globally, online connected on a cloud-based software. And we have spanning over 73 countries. And as of date, we have printed more than 10 million parts. Thank you so much. I hope I've been able to keep 5 minutes of time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Prashant. You simplify the matter. I had attended one of his online trainings on these 3D printers. May I request Nirupam ji to please come and felicitate him?